Good morning guys. Dito ngayon si Engineer Bubong at si former Vice Randy. Hanap sila ng tubig guys. O ganun o. Probe na to guys. So sa mga tubig namin dito si former Vice ang naghanap. Ito na tubig dito guys, kanang ma-stick tindog. May tubig yun. Ito. Sa pamamagitan ng stick lang guys, pwede na malaman kung saan yung tubig. Yan o. Yung may stick. Dito rin.
Can you get to Saka kahoy dako-dako para sigurado? Eh? So what do you feel? It's better here? Yeah.
So yun may stick guys, yun may tubig doon.
Ah.
Because the elevation is
So there is water also here? Yes. If you have to choose, you can choose this one.
yeah. For one there is shade.
Uh-huh. It's easy to work, it's along the road.